Okay. The next one is inventors. Okay, inventors. So inventors, just a second. Next one is inventors. So they invent new products, competent. They have high level of technical competence and skills required for innovating and inventing new products. So they have this competence and inventiveness property, so which will help them invent new products. Really they are training, and their basic interest lies in R&D. So they focus only on R&D. So initially, before starting an enterprise, they do this research groundwork very thoroughly and understand the need for a new product, and they take all steps to ensure that the new product is in place through their technical competence. So their basic interest of all these inventors is R&D. So that research and development needs a huge funding, because the research always doesn't go in a positive way, right? It might go in a negative way. Also, the research may end up with nothing. So in that case, you need to have a strong financial backup for an inventor.